Hello, my dear students. At this stage of our term paper, what we are going to do is collecting data from different sources so that we can put it on the template to find the intrinsic value of the company stock. Let us start. We are going to collect income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement data from Morningstar. And then we're going to collect market information from the Yahoo Finance. And then once we collect all the data, we are going to put income statement and balance sheet data on our base scenario Excel sheet in a proper order. All right, let us start. So first, let us check Morningstar. To do so, here you can see I'm going to type Morningstar APL. You can type your own company ticker. That's going to directly take you to the web page for that particular company. And then check the financials tab we have. And then from there, you want to check the details view. From details view, you can collect your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow data for the annual statements in the restated form. So restated forms are more refined than the original, annual statements. So you can see here, you can export your data to Excel. So collect the data for income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow for your company and copy them to the IS, BS, CFS sheet we have in our Excel file. Okay, so once you do so, we are going to move to our cost of equity tab. For cost of equity, I need market return, risk-free rate, which is 10-year treasury bond rate, beta of my company. Then only I can calculate cost of equity. Now, I'm going to use S&P 500 index as the benchmark for the market. And then therefore, I need to know the average annual return of the S&P 500 index. To do so, I'm going to collect S&P 500 index data from Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance S&P 500. You see? Then we get the S&P 500 page in the Yahoo Finance website. From there, check the historical data tab. And from there, in this case, I choose data from January 2008 to the current month. So 01/01/2208, done. I want data in monthly frequency and then apply. Then you can see you have all the S&P 500 data starting from January 2008 to the current date. So copy them all to your Excel file. I already did so. And then from there, choose all the dates you have in the data column and then sort the data from newest to oldest. You need to do so in order to calculate market return properly. So market return should be calculated based on the adjusted closing price. And the formula is price in the current month over price in the previous month minus 1. Repeat the same for all the other month. You are not going to get the return data for the very last month because you don't have sufficient data available to do so. All right, then your market return will be the average monthly return times 100. This is how you annualize your monthly return. Then you get your market return, which is 9.47% in this case. Then risk-free rate. To get risk-free rate, you can collect data from many different sources. I provide you one link here, but here, let me just show you. Treasury yield 10-year US Treasury, whatever you search. And then you can get it from Federal Reserve Bank. And then here you can see today the rate is, on April 14th, the rate was 2.83%. So you can just put whatever rate you get. Now for beta, remember I'm doing valuation for Apple Incorporation. So let me check the Yahoo Finance page for Apple Incorporation. Yahoo Finance AAPL. Then here, from their summary page, I can see the beta of the company is 1.19. So I just, copied from there. Next, apply the cost of equity formula, which is capital asset pricing model formula we have. So it is risk-free rate plus beta times market risk premium. This is how we get the cost of equity equal to 10.79%. All right, good. Next, collect the market price data for Apple Incorporation. To do so, again, check the historical data tab for Apple Incorporation. You want monthly data for the last 5 years. Hit apply. And then copy all the information here to the Excel file. That is exactly what I did. So let us now move to the base scenario page. At this stage now, we're going to do a very crucial work for this term paper. And all of its subsequent work will depend on the work we're going to do here. So that work is, we are going to now put all the income statement and balance sheet data we collected from Morningstar to this income statement and balance sheet template. And then we're going to cover it in our next video. Thank you.